Well, rabies cases are on the rise in Franklin County.
Officials have seen their 17th positive case so far this year. That is 3 times more than last year. CBS 17's Shanila Kabir is live in Franklin County. And Shanila, health officials say these cases could continue to rise over the next few weeks.
Department of Health Director Scott Levine stresses that rabies is pretty much fatal, especially when symptoms begin in humans. He says the county has seen 3 animals every month since July that's tested positive for the virus. Now they're asking everyone to keep an eye out for one animal in particular. Health officials in Franklin County are reminding people that skunks are very shy animals, and a perfectly healthy one will not approach humans.
If you see a skunk behaving unusually, overly friendly, willing to come up to you, or overly aggressive, charging you during the day when it doesn't need to, the chances are if we collect that animal, in 80% of those instances, that animal's going to be positive for rabies.
Director Scott Levine says skunks remain the #1 carrier of the virus, being 9 out of the 17 cases. Rabies is dangerous but treatable, but treatment needs to begin immediately after exposure or an attack.
It is a very unfortunate and painful way to die, and I would really like to avoid that for anyone, anywhere. And that's why we take it so seriously.
Levine says the 2 newest cases that were reported in White Level involved skunks. He believes there are more and possibly a small community of them in the northeast corner of Franklin County. He asks neighbors to start feeding your pets inside immediately.
I know you're probably putting it out for cats, dogs that you keep and that may run loose on your property. I get that. You may want to alter that behavior for right now because of the fact that we do have animals in your area with rabies that are looking for easy meals.
Levine stresses getting your pets vaccinated and up to date on all rabies shots. He says there are only 2 unfortunate routes if your dog or cat is infected by the rabies virus.
It's the worst conversation that animal services can have, and we can have at the health department with a pet owner to say that your choices are euthanasia or a 4-month quarantine.
The Franklin County Animal Shelter is offering rabies shots for $15 starting next Saturday. So the rabies virus is only transmissible through saliva, but saliva can get on anything. And Levine is asking everyone to remember that, especially to those that may be hesitant on getting treatment after they've already been exposed or attacked by a rabid animal. As for now, I'm Shanila Kabir, CBS 17 News.
Yeah, it can be very serious stuff there.
Yeah, you got to get those rabies shots right away, and they're expensive too, but so important because they can save your life if you're attacked.